Hello boys and girls, welcome to today's lesson. I'm going to need your help again today to find out what it is we're going to be doing. Got my bag, my magic bag, and of course my magic wand. Nothing in the bag yet though, children, so we don't know what we're doing, do we? Just check. No, there is definitely nothing in there, is there? All right, so let's zip it up. Can you remember the magic word? That's right, abracadabra, alakazam. All right, so after 3, let's get the magic so we can do our lesson today. All right, 1, 2, 3, abracadabra, alakazam. Let's see, let's hope we've got something in our bag. Some cards. Some pictures. Let's have a look what we've got here. Got a little bear in the bath. A little bear doing some schoolwork. Well, looks like somebody walking somewhere, maybe walking to school. Oops. That one the right way around. Oh, what's he doing in this one? What's he doing? Looks like he's having his breakfast, doesn't he? Oh, that one that dropped on the floor. And this one, he's in bed. Wonder what time of day that is. Can you check? Do you think that's the morning? Or do you think that's the evening? It's the evening, isn't it? Look, can you see the moon just there? Well, today, children, we're going to be thinking about the times of the day and the different things you do at different times of the day. And it looks like this bear, his day is all mixed up and it needs to be in the right order. You know what I'm going to say. Can you help me put it in the right order? Let's just stick them up and have a little look then. Hopefully you'll be able to see them. Put the camera a little bit closer. I can always move it closer if we need to. So we'll just put them up first of all. So that's the one in the bath. That's the one when he's in school. This is the one. Oh, I should have put them down there and then we can put them in the right order. Put them down there. This one in bed and this one having some cereal. Right, let's see. Might need to just move a little bit closer. Is that better? Yeah. All right, so we've got in the bath, in school, walking to school, bedtime and breakfast time. So have a little think. Which picture do you think I should put here? Which picture do you think I should have first? I'll write a little number 1. Number 1 there. Which picture? Which one do you think it is? Yeah, I think so too. I think the first thing he will be doing is having his breakfast. So we'll put that by number 1. Okay, so what would he do next? Would he be in school next? No, because how did he get to school? Ah. Do you think it's this one, walking to school with his grown-up bear? Yeah, I think so too. That's right, number 2. So after his breakfast, he goes to school. What next then? What would he do next? We've got in the bath, we've got in school, and we've got in bed. Yeah. Next one, he's in school. I know you're not in school at the moment and we're missing you so much, but hopefully you're doing your home learning, which you obviously are if you're watching this video, and we'll have you back in school as soon as we can. But at the moment, it's just not safe to do so, is it? But this little bear, he's in his bear school for this picture. Okay, so what would come next, do you think? What would you do? Would you go to bed? Would you have your bath? I think it would be bath time, wouldn't it? You wouldn't go to bed before you'd had your bath if you were having a bath. So after school, oops, I forgot to write that's number. I'll do the numbers up here now so we can see them. 1, first, we had our breakfast. After that, number 2, we went to school. Then after that, number 3, we were in school. Then after that, number 4, having a bath. And then the last picture then, right at the end of the day, go to bed. Number 5. That's not everything you do in the day, is it? There's lots of things that were missed out there because I didn't really have enough room. But one of the jobs that I'm going to ask you to do today is to have a think about your own day that you have now. It's a bit different, isn't it, than it usually is because you're doing homeschool now instead of coming into school. And I would like you to make a picture showing the different things that you do during the day. So everybody, I'm sure, has their breakfast, but you might have different things for your breakfast, mightn't you? You might not have, this looks like this bear's having cereal and some milk to drink. My little boy likes to have fruit and yogurt for his breakfast, and I sometimes like to have toast for my breakfast. So have lots of different things for breakfast. Your next picture will be different because at the moment you're not walking to school like this little bear. But what do you do next? How do you get ready for your homeschool? Can you draw a picture of that to show me that? And then after that, in this picture, this little boy's in school, but you might do something else. You might actually do some exercises and watch some cosmic yoga on YouTube. You could draw a picture of that. And I've noticed here there's a very important picture missing. What is it? Lunchtime. This poor little bear must be very hungry. He's gone straight from school to having a bath. We wouldn't do that, would we? So have a little think of all the different things that you do. You could break it up into things that you do in the morning, things that you do in the afternoon, and then things you do in the evening. And then bedtime, isn't it, at night time? So you can make a lovely picture to show the sequence of the different things you do during the day. That would be absolutely wonderful if you could do that, put it on the classroom to see. And then when you've done that, please keep your pictures for the work that we're going to do tomorrow. Until tomorrow, goodbye, boys and girls.